Hey guys, so I'm going to do an unboxing or unbagging really. So Disney World and the Droid Depot has these cool pins. There are 16 of them. So you can have a chance of getting 16 different pins. And I don't know how easy it's going to be for you to see all the different pins. So you looks like you have a Gonk droid, an astromech, a droid that looks like Chopper, a mouse droid. Is that? It's hard for me to look in the viewfinder. Oh shoot, I forgot what that droid is. Is that the? It looks like. Oh wait, I'm looking at the bag, and then I'm trying to look at the viewfinder. That's Rex. A BB-8 droid. What does this say? BU4D. That's the medical unit droid. Oh wait, no. That's K2SO, sorry. K2SO, the medical droid. Is that the torture droid? I don't know. No. Maybe. I have no idea. Then you have the Imperial Probe droid, the little goofy droids, in the prequels. I can't quite read. It says DUM, I think. Or bum? Or dumb? Or maybe they're dumb droids. Another BB-8 unit, but not BB-8, like, is that BB-8? IG-88, or just an IG unit. And then, gosh, the print is so tiny. But that's Lando's droid. I can't remember her name, and it's like, I can't tell. The font is way too tiny. So anyways, 16 different pins. Hopefully, oh, I have scissors right here. So we will see. So each pack includes 5 randomly selected pins. You can find them at the Galaxy's Edge Outpost. Or Galaxy's Edge in the Droid Depot. And this is $30. I mean, considering 5 pins, most time the pins run anywhere from like $7-ish to $10 depending. So yeah. Oops, let's cut it lower. Wow, it smells really pinny, metally. So I've never seen, I didn't really search any YouTube videos, so I actually don't know what these look like. But we will see. So let's see, which one is that one? Oh, it's Rex. So, a little Rex droid. That's pretty cute. Oh, it's a BB unit droid. Awesome. So cool. These are pretty sharp. I mean, I like color, but I don't know, I kind of like the black and whiteness of these pins. Let's see. Oh, it is an ID9. I want to say, were these the droids that were in not Camino, Geonosis? Maybe, I don't know. I'll have to relook up. Which one is this one? Oh, is that R1 droid? This one's harder for me to show off one-handed. R1. Pretty cool. I don't know, I like these like black and white. So what is this one? Oh, it's upside down, that's what it is. Oh, it's an R2 droid. Yay! I don't know, I think this could have been done a little better. Maybe like had a little bit more highlights, or maybe white and black, but still pretty cool. So, no duplicates. I mean, there's all gonna be duplicates in this one. see. Is it a duplicate? Oh no, it's an IG! Yay! Have you seen The Mandalorian? Aren't IG droids like the coolest now? I mean, I always liked IG-88, but was IG-11 from The Mandalorian? Awesome! So far so good, no dupes. No duplicates. Oh, is it our first duplicate? It's our first duplicate. I think, yep. BB droid. It's okay, at least it's a BB droid. Oh, it's L3, that's her name, L3. So yeah. She was kind of a cool droid in Solo. Oh, it's a gonk droid. I love gonk droids. So, wait, is this our last one? This is our last, yep, last one. Is it a duplicate or is it a new droid? Oh, it's a duplicate, but at least it's a Rex. It's another Rex. Alright, so in my haul video, I said I would do a giveaway of any duplicates. So, we have duplicates. Or do I want to trade? Is there anyone I want to trade? It'd be cool to get... I'll do a giveaway. I said I would do a giveaway. I really do want K2 SO. Well, maybe it's an excuse to get another bag once I go back to Disney. So I have 2 duplicates. I will select 2 winners. So whenever this video is posted, I'll have the dates of when the contest will be open. International is fine. I'm based in the USA. So just answer what is your favorite droid? And that'll be it. So yeah, so I'll select 2 winners. So one winner will get this one and the other winner will get the other one. It'll be completely, I'll just pretty much pick Rex and then draw the winner, and then I'll say BB-8, so it's not like you have a choice. So yeah, so these are pretty cool little pins. I really do like them. They are pretty awesome. So yeah, so I'll give it a week for the giveaway. I'll post the exact dates that the contest will be open, and then I'll do another live stream to draw a winner. And yeah, so thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed these pins like I do. These are so cool. I'll have to definitely get another bag or 2 when I'm back at Disney, whenever that will be. These are awesome. I love droids. I mean, do you love droids? I do. But yeah. And so yeah, definitely, I forgot, the more important, remember to also be in the giveaway, you have to be subscribed, and you have to like the video, and make sure your subscriptions are public so I know that you actually are subscribed. So yeah, sorry. Oh, and be 18 and over. And yep, we'll see you guys next time. I hope you guys enjoy the channel, and I'll see you in the future. Bye!